Microsoft Office installation errors driving you up the wall? Here's how to knock them down, step by step. First things first, give your computer a quick restart. Sometimes a fresh start is all it needs. Next, double-check your internet connection. Slow or spotty Wi-Fi is like a weak coffee. Nothing gets done. Still stuck? Temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall. Think of it as asking your security guard to let the installer through. Just don't forget to turn protection back on after. If you've tried installing before, old Office leftovers might be in the way. Grab Microsoft's Support and Recovery Assistant, Sarah for short, to clean things up. Still no luck? Manually uninstall any lingering Office files using the Office Deployment tool. Make sure your setup and configuration files are in the same folder and check for any typos. One letter off can stop everything. Finally, make sure you have enough disk space and try installing from a new user account if needed. Quick recap: restart, check your network, pause your antivirus, clear out old Office, and double-check your files. Still need help? Microsoft Support has your back. Subscribe for more Office fixes. Let's keep your workday